Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating or solving mathematics question on different levels, I am here for the same. Today in this video, I am going to solve chapter Algebraic Expressions, class 8, publication house Goel Brothers Prakashan, question number 3, exercise 6.2. So if you guys want to solution of the chapters exponents, rational numbers, square and square roots, and uh, earlier exercise of algebraic expression, which is 6.1, you can go by the description box where all the links has been given. So not to waste further time, let's start with question number 3. So question number 3 is based on identities. So in here, identities are a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is always equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square will always be equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So in question number 3, first part, 3a plus 2b square is given to us. So which identity we will put here? I will write the identity so that it will become easier to understand. A square plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 is getting multiplied with a and b square. So here we will assume 3a as 2 and 2b as b. So 3a square plus 2 into 3a into 2b plus 2b square. So 3a square would become 9, 3 3s are 9, a square plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, ab plus 2b square means 2 2s are 4, b square, which is our answer. So the answer of first part of question number 3 is 9a square plus 12ab plus 4b square. So let's move to the second part. So second part is 4y plus 3z square. So our first step, I have explained the identity earlier. So we will directly put the values in the identity. So 4y square means a square plus 2 into 4y into 3z plus 3z square. So it would become 16, 4 4 is a 16 y square plus 2 4 is a 8, 8 3 is a 24 yz plus 3 3 is a 9 z square. So this is our answer for second part of question number 3. Let's move to the third part of question number 3, which is 2t square plus 6p whole square. So according to the identity a square is already 2t square. So 2t square whole square plus 2 into 2t square into 6p plus 6p whole square. Further, so 2t square whole square would become 4, 2 2s are 4, t square square would become t raised to the power 4 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 6 are 24 t square and p plus 6 6 are 36 p square. So the answer for the third part of question number 3 is 4t raised to the power 4 plus 24 t square p plus 36 p square, which is our answer. Let's move to the fourth part. So the fourth part is 2 by 3x plus 4 by 5y raised to the power 2. So here a square is 2 by 3x square plus 2 into 2 by 3x into 4 by 5y plus 4 by 5y square. So 2 by 3 x square would become 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, x raised to the power 2. 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9, x raised to the power 2, plus we will check if we can cancel something in here. So there is nothing to get cancelled, so we will direct multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 and 3 5s are 15. 16 by 15 x and y plus 4 4s are 16 and 5 5s are 25 y square. So this is our answer. 4 by 9 x square plus 16 by 15 xy plus 16 by 25 y square. So let's check it out how to solve fifth part of it. So the fifth part of question number 3 is a by 3 plus 3 by a whole square. So according to the identity, a square means a by 3 square plus 2 into a by 3 a, and this is b, into 3 by a plus b square means 3 by a square. So a square, a by 3 whole square would become a square by 9. Here 3 will get cancelled with 3 and a will get cancelled with a. So we will be left with 2 plus 3 3s are 9 a square. So fifth, the answer of fifth part of question number 3 is a square by 9 plus 2 plus 9 by a square, which is our answer. Let's move to the sixth part of question number 3. So sixth part is 4y minus 5z square. So according to the identity, a square, here 4, earlier we have solved a plus b whole square. Now from sixth part, a minus b whole square is given to us. So a minus b whole square would be equal to a square minus 2ab, 2 into 4y into 5z plus b square, that is 5z square. So next step would be 4 4s are 16 y square minus 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40 yz plus 5 5s are 25 z square. This is the answer of sixth part. Here the identity is a minus b whole square. So the formula would be a minus b whole square would be equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let's move to the seventh part of question number 3. So seventh part of question number 3 is 2a minus 3b whole square. So 2a square would be a square minus 2 into 2a into 3b plus 3b square. So 2a whole square would be equal to 4a square minus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12ab plus 3 3s are 9b square. So this is the answer for seventh part. Now eighth part. Eighth part is 9y square minus 6z square whole square. Here a is 9y square itself and b is 6z square itself, and both has raised to the power 2. So be careful while solving it. So a square would be 9y square whole square minus 2 into 9y square into 6z square plus 6z square whole square, that is b square. So 9y square whole square would be equal to 9 9 is 81 and y 2 into 2 would become y raised to the power 4. Then 9 2 is 18 and 18 6 is 108 y square z square plus 6 6 are 36, z raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 2 would become z raised to the power 4. So our answer for 8th part of question number 3 is 81 y raised to the power 4 minus 108 y square z square plus 36 z raised to the power 4. So let's move to the 9th part. So the 9th part of question number 3 is 6y minus 7z whole square. So 6y a square, that is 6y square, minus 2 into 6y into 7z plus b square, that is 7z square. So that would be equal to 6 6 are 36 y square minus 6 7s are 42, 42 2s are 84 yz plus 7 7s are 49 z square. So this is the answer of 9th part of question number 3 of exercise 6.2 class 8 publication house Goel Brothers Prakashan. 36 y square minus 84 yz plus 49 z square. So we are left with 3 parts because question number 3 is quite a bigger question having 12 parts in it. So let's check it out how to solve 10th, 11th and 12th part. So the 10th part is 3 by 9x minus 2 by 3y whole square. So a square 3 by 9x square minus 2ab means 2 into 3 by 9x into 2 by 3y plus b square means 2 by 3y whole square. So 3 by 9x square would be equal to 3 3s are 9 and 9 9s are 81 x square minus, let's see what can here be cancelled. 3 will cancel with 3 and nothing is to be cancelled further. So 2 2s are 4 by 9 xy plus 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 y square. So in here, as we know, we can cancel this also. 9 ones are 9 and 9 nines are 81. So 1 by 9 x square minus 4 by 9 xy plus 4 by 9 y square. That would be our answer. So this was the 10th part of question number 3 of 6.2 exercise algebraic expressions class 8 publication house Goel Brothers Prakashan. So now let's move to the 11th part, which is 9y square minus y square by 9 whole square. It's a bit tricky question, so be careful while solving it. So the 11th part is 9 by y square minus y square by 9 whole square. So here a is 9y square whole square, a square, minus 2 into 9y square into y square 9, 2 into a into b plus b square, that is y square by 9 whole square. So 9 square would become 81 and y square raised to the power 2 would become y raised to the power 4. Now minus y square will get cancelled with y square and 9 will get cancelled with 9. So we are left with 2 only, minus 2, and y square whole raised to the power 2 would become y raised to the power 4 and 9 raised to the power would become 81. So our answer of 11th part of question number 3 is 81 by y raised to the power 4 minus 2 plus y square y raised to the power 4 by 81. This is y raised to the power 4. Answer is 81 by y raised to the power 4 minus 2 plus y raised to the power 4 by 81. So let's move to the 12th part, which is given as 1 by 6 p square minus 2 by 7 t square whole square. So according to the identity, a square means 1 by 6 p square whole square minus 2 into 1 by 6 p square into 2 by 7 t square plus 2 by 7 t square whole square. So here 1 by 6 square means 36, p square whole square means p raised to the power 4 minus, here we can cancel 2 ones are 2 3s are 6. Nothing further is to be cancelled. So our answer would be 2 into 1, that is 2, and 3 sevens are 21 p square t square plus 2 2s are 4 and 7 sevens are 49 t raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 2 would become t raised to the power 4. So the answer of 12th part of question number 3 is 1 by 36 p raised to the power 4 minus 2 by 21 p square t square plus 4 by 49 t raised to the power 4. So that was all about the question number 3. All 12 parts I have solved here. In my next video, I'll be solving question number 4 of exercise 6.2. Publication House, Goel Brothers Prakashan, chapter Algebraic Expressions, class 8. So if you guys like my video or if it is somewhere helpful to you, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and please share as much as possible so that everyone can gain, or we can say everyone can have the solutions of the exercise. So thank you so much.